great way to personalise storytelling or literacy skills on an iPad is to use an emoji or custom emoji. One of the ways that we can generate this is in the Notes app. So if I open a new note and then bring up my emoji keyboard, you can see I can add in any emoji, but with iOS 17 I've got this little peel icon that looks like a sticker. And this is where I can add in stickers about the emojis. So I could have the robot, the tiger, the dinosaur, or I can create a custom one. Now what might be quite interesting here is creating a Santa Claus style one. Now you could customize the skin colour any way you like. You could have this match. Obviously with it being Santa, you could create a Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus, you could create elves, anything you want at all. The customization options are there to include hairstyle, hair colour. Students can really immerse themselves in bringing a character to life just by picking some of the pre-chosen options. So if you've maybe got a student who's struggling with where to get started, then they have plenty of options here. You can even give Santa a big bushy set of eyebrows. You know, maybe their grandpa's got big eyebrows or their dad's got big eyebrows, and you can really bring that character to life. You can see you can increase the age, and you can also make Santa's face look like his, belly is wiggling like a big bowl of jelly or something along those lines. Customize the nose. There's a number of great customization features on iPad that I'm sure you're already using, but how can you actually bring those to life in a different way? You can even be a bit diverse. You can give Santa a hearing aid. My Santa actually quite likes listening to music, so I'm going to give him some AirPods. And then obviously, what's Santa without his big beard? There we have Santa's nice big bushy beard. And just to set it off, I'm going to give Santa his rounded eyewear, a little bit more silver. You can make it gold. You can really, bring this character to life and bring in a bit of personalisation, as I said. You can finish it off with some headwear. You can choose the level of redness. You can even bring in different cultures, and you could maybe have the different cultures being celebrated at this time of year. One of the things that you could do is have Santa. You can maybe do a Scrooge. You could do a Grinch. You can really bring the story to life. I'm just going to make this traditional Santa, where I'm going to bring in some different colours. And even with the clothing, you can customise it. Now there's no big jacket, but there are a couple of options. You give them a nice red shirt. So if I look through some of the options here, I can see where I'm going to pick. I could go again. There's cultural diversity here. You can give them a sari. You can give them, different aspects where the different cultures and the different religions that are celebrated at this time of year can be represented in your classrooms. So I'm just going to pick a shirt. I'm going to keep it with the red. I'm going to maybe give him some white buttons. And if there was a third colour, I might make it a kind of a gold. And kind of make it that little bit of traditional style. As I say, the customizations are there. Do you want to make it a Where's Wally? There is a striped top as well. So there's really a bit of customization and effort that pupils can go to here to make sure that theirs is represented. And then to add in the sticker, you just bring up the emoji keyboard, tap the stickers icon. There are different options. You can have Santa being a little bit crazy. You can have Santa really showing the emotions. So there's a range of emotions here that you could have. You could have a Memoji bingo, where it's a Memoji bingo card of emotions and things of that nature. But with this one, I'm just going to, show Santa saying yes, Santa saying no. This could be great for little ones to kind of talk about where they are on the naughty or nice list or things of that nature. But I'm just going to have my Santa smiling, the last one here. I really love looking at these for different range of literacy options. Try it yourself, and I'd love to see what your pupils come up with themselves. Ho, ho, ho.